I'm one fed up person, and I was fed up one too many times. And actually, I was pushed over the edge right here in Arizona.
What it is today, a 5-year-old forum for frustration. Anyone can file a ripoff report.
She looked up Guardian on a consumer website called the Ripoff Report. Canadian SWAT teams stormed the house. Their target, a ring of telemarketing con men.
We go to the proper agencies. We'll go to the Attorney General. We work with the FTC. We work with the FBI. We work with Homeland Security. There are so many ripoffs that are going on across the country. It's like I'm so disgusted.
Pretty faces of all ages.
They give you criteria as far as height and measurement, what the requirements are, but in reality, once they get in there and you interview them, as long as they have the money, they're willing to take just about anyone.
They lied to me. They told me that they were willing to be a modeling company.
So if the website or the company that you're, talking to or referring to is selling you something instead of marketing you and negotiating for you, there's a little red flag there.
You've got a guarantee where if they are not satisfied with the service, we put them up for 2 years for free.
But what about that $995 setup fee? When you're reaching for the stars, better keep one hand on your wallet.
A computer virus that bills innocent victims for internet porn.
Security experts call them Trojan dialers, part of a new wave of internet threats.
300, 500, 800, over 1,000 reports coming in about a company. You know that it's very serious.
A 10-year-old kid can just click on the little thing and say, yes, I'm over 18, and boom, he's in.
Like we say, don't let them get away with it. Make sure they make the ripoff report. Your voice will be heard.